All right, guys. I wanted to make sure that I recorded a brief video for you guys so you can understand exactly what to expect over the next 5 days with our free Facebook travel agent workshop. Now, this video, of course, is going to just highlight our workshop agenda and expectations. So let's go ahead and get started. I am LaVonda Thornton Bush. I want to personally introduce myself to you all. If I did not personally invite you to this group, you were definitely invited by someone who is in my organization. So I want to be the first to welcome you to our free Facebook travel agent workshop. I am a full-time wife and mom. I have a 4-year-old daughter, a 6-year-old son, and a 19-year-old college student. My husband has a 9-year-old and 10-year-old. So those are my stepchildren. I love to call them my babies too. I am a full-time travelpreneur. And why do I say that, guys? I'm basically a travel agent who owns our own business, but also coach and train others to do the same exact thing. But I've been in the travel industry since 2014. I started off as a part-time agent. So now I guess I have to update this slide. I actually have a team of over 700 agents, approaching 800 agents, people that we have met online, through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and people that we run into day to day, as well as our friends and family members who decided that they also wanted to make travel their business. I'm now the number 15 income earner, and our company has grown to over 25,000 agents in the company. So I thought I updated these slides, but I'll make sure I do that the next time. But guys, I absolutely love travel. I love to travel myself, and I absolutely love training other travel agents. So you're here in this workshop to really understand if this is the right business opportunity for you. So because you also love traveling, you decided to hop into our Facebook workshop to learn more. But you'll be here to learn more about the travel industry, as well as the details about how you can become a travel agent and own your own business and how it could benefit you. But definitely, I want you to know that you're here in this workshop to get your questions answered. You may have already been shown some information, or you got some type of preview of our travel agent business opportunity, and you're here to get more details and to really get those questions answered. By the end of this workshop, you will make a decision if the travel agent business is right for you. Now, some of you haven't wasted any time. Some of you have already started signing up. You're more than welcome to stay in the workshop and further validate your decision to make travel your business. And so here we have a 5-day agenda. Today is day 1. You already start seeing posts that says, why start a travel agent business? So we're really telling you some of the perks and benefits and facts of why people usually start a travel business. Tomorrow, day 2, you will learn the difference between starting your own travel business from scratch versus partnering with a host agency. We'll also talk a little bit about the difference between working for a travel agent or working for a travel supplier like an airline, hotel, rental car, cruise company. Day 3, we're going to teach you all about our credentials that you will receive and the credentials that are accessible to you as a travel agent. We'll talk to you about how they're used to earn your travel agent commissions, as well as how to get your travel agent discounts. Day 4, we're going to show you what travel agent work looks like, as far as the researching of travel, the booking process, marketing, promoting, and we'll show you some real live commission examples. Day 5 is a full business overview. So we're going to tell you absolutely everything there is to know about the travel agent business opportunity, how much it costs to get started, the monthly fees. We'll share some agent testimonies with you, and you'll have an opportunity to receive several different vacation giveaways. And so here I want you to, ask yourself what to expect in the group. So I'll go ahead and answer the questions for you. People are saying, what is this? Where is the workshop? What's the link? Where can I go for the workshop? If you're watching this video, you are in the workshop, guys. It is a virtual workshop. So our workshop consists of daily posts, videos, interviews related to the topic of the day, different contests and prize giveaways. You're going to be able to have a lot of fun and be very interactive in the group. This is an on-demand workshop. So there is no particular time schedule. So what you want to do is check in often. So set an alarm and say, hey, check travel agent workshop for the day. You'll see some notifications as well from posts and different things happening inside of the workshop. So we are going to share a lot of information. I will go ahead and tell you to get a notebook, grab a calendar, just make sure you're taking notes. There's going to be a lot of information. So rather than you trying to go back and memorize everything that's shared, take notes of things that stand out to you while you're attending our Facebook virtual workshop. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'm not sure what happened. So here are the rules. Always use your travel agent coach ID. The person who invited you to this workshop gave you a travel agent coach ID. That travel agent coach ID, it is very, very important that you are spelling it correctly and that there are absolutely no spaces in this travel agent coach ID. Why am I telling you that? Because this is going to be the way that you sign up for your travel agent business. And if it's not spelled properly, if there are spaces in that travel agent coach ID, you will not be able to enroll. Do not switch travel agent coaches. So whoever initially invited you to this workshop, that's who you will enroll with. Okay, so please, let's keep the integrity of the group. Do not switch travel agent coach IDs. So do not share information provided from this group on your personal pages. You're going to see some dynamic testimonies. You're going to learn some very valuable information. You may think about, wow, this really could be helpful to someone else that I know. But we do ask that you, again, keep the privacy and the integrity of the workshop. Everything that you see here, we have created ourselves. We may be pulling information from, from places that we as travel agents have access to, but we definitely want to keep this exclusive. So if there are people that you're thinking of for future workshops, guys, if you decide to become a travel agent, you'll invite them in. So you don't want to share the information prematurely also. If anyone other than your travel agent coach contacts you, let an admin know as soon as possible. I'll say that again. You were invited by a travel agent coach. So if anyone other than your personal travel agent coach contacts you, sends you a personal inbox message, please let an admin know as soon as possible. If you join before day 5, which is our decision day, we will not remove you from the group. Like I said, some of you have already decided to get your travel agent business started. We do not remove you from the workshop. You will stay in the workshop for the entire duration of our Facebook workshop. And if you're ever unsure about anything, contact your travel agent coach or one of our workshop admins, which I will introduce to you in just a moment. So how to win the giveaways. You're going to see a lot of different giveaways and prizes throughout the workshop. First and foremost, you must know your travel agent coach ID that's provided to you. A lot of there's going to be different rules and guidelines, and you will always need to identify who your travel agent coach is. Follow the contest giveaway rules. So this is actually our third travel agent workshop. And in previous workshops, people were wondering why they did not receive their giveaways. Well, that's because they did not read and follow the giveaway rules. So you definitely want to read and follow the rules. Be sure to check the deadlines provided. So some of them are casual giveaways. Some of them are really, really good, big giveaways that have a time stamp on when you can submit your answers or pictures or information. Okay, so you definitely want to pay attention to that. So now we have some enrollment incentives. They're more like thank you gifts. I want to talk to you about them before we actually identify what they are. These are for brand new agents. You guys will receive a vacation incentive when partnering with us. Again, that's as a thank you. You do not have to wait until the end of the workshop to enroll. I said that a few times already, but these incentives do not require a timeshare presentation. So you're going to see some cruise giveaways, some hotel giveaways, some resort giveaways. These are in no way in connection with you having to sit through a timeshare presentation. So you'll get a chance to enjoy these getaways with your time. The details are provided to the recipients who partner with us. So some people have reached out in previous workshops. They're asking, well, how do I get this? They're asking different questions about the incentives, and they haven't became a travel agent. So that information is provided to those who do decide to partner in business with us. These are not free trips, okay? They are not totally free. They are deeply discounted, significantly discounted vacations and giveaways. They are not free. There are age requirements and low-cost redemption fees for most of them, okay? So I want you to know that these are not free giveaways, okay? Now, let's talk about who our admins are for our group. We have Miss Kyra Harris, who has a team of over 300 travel agents. She has actually been a travel agent for over 2 years. She works this business on a part-time basis. So you'll see some videos and posts and information coming from her as well. We have Miss Reynelda Victor, who has a team of over 100 travel agents that she personally coach and train. She's been a travel agent for over a year. She started off on a part-time basis, and now she's working this business full-time and absolutely love it. Miss Natalie Williams, she's a wife and a stay-at-home mom. She just had a brand new travel baby for us. I think he just turned a month old yesterday. Miss Natalie Williams, she absolutely loves this business. So you guys will see some information coming from her as well. We have Mr. Brandon Grace. He's been in the travel industry for over 3 years, guys. This gentleman is an amazing trainer. He's an amazing travel agent. He loves booking travel. He loves traveling. Again, he's one of my top leaders. He was actually one of my very first ones when I got started in the industry. We have Miss Carrie Hurley. She's a wife. She's a homeschooler. She works the business full time when she's not homeschooling. She's a top travel seller. She's very knowledgeable, and she loves having fun and helping others understand the business. So you will hear more from her. We have Miss Shatan Wolverton. She is an elementary school principal. She's a single mom of an amazing athlete. Athletic scholar is what I will call this young man. But Miss Shatan, she works the business on a part-time basis, totally passionate, very knowledgeable. She has a team of agents that she coach and train as well. She books travel and she travel, so she know everything that there is to know about this business. And last but not least, Miss Teresa Lane. She's a wife, she's a mom, she's a grandma. She works this business on a very part-time basis and getting full-time results. Miss Teresa loves traveling. Guys, she's very knowledgeable as well. So all of the admins are here. You see them, you hear their names. They are here to assist you and help you in any way. So you're going to see information coming from every one of us who are experienced. And you'll see some of our other agents plugging in and helping answer questions as well. So that's about it, guys. What we want you to do is have fun. You're going to learn a lot in our workshop. And I want you to take the opportunity to ask questions. Ask questions. A lot of the information will make sense by the end of the workshop. So day to day, you're going to learn a little bit more information about what we do, how we do it, why we do it, and how we're compensated. And I definitely want to encourage you to get with your travel agent coaches, get with the admins. And I can't wait to celebrate you here on your journey of success during our free 5-day Facebook workshop. Enjoy.